Two iPhones are needed for this tool to work. We are taking iPhone 15 and iPhone 11. Please select on CCTV. One phone will become a server. And here, please turn on your personal hotspot. After turning on, please return to the app. In the iPhone 11, we are choosing as camera. Here, please connect to the personal hotspot using Wi-Fi. So after connecting, please return to the app. So please give a moment for these two devices to get connected. So once the connection is done, we can see the user interface of iPhone 11 has changed. So in the server, please click on Start. As you can see, from the iPhone 11 camera preview will be displayed on the server, that is iPhone 15.